Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Virtue Synthetic Wig by Eva, a heat-friendly synthetic wig designed for everyday wear. It comes in a medium brown shade with an average-sized cap and features Hair You Wear's exclusive Kanekalon Excel fiber, which is heat-resistant and promises a natural look and feel. So if you're curious about how it performs in real life, stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you. Right off the bat, this wig's made from 100% polyester fiber. But not just any polyester. It's the Kanekalon Excel, which is known in the beauty industry for mimicking natural hair movement and texture. It's heat-friendly, so you can style it with low to medium heat tools, giving you flexibility without risking damage like some other synthetics. The cap features a wide, velvet comfort band that reduces friction and those annoying itches, plus ultra-thin adjusters at the nape for a snug, personalized fit. You'll also notice the hidden weft inside, which helps create a more natural hairline, along with open ear tabs and an extended nape for added comfort and realism. Now, putting this wig to the test, I found it surprisingly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The medium brown color is a versatile, natural tone that complements various skin tones without looking overly synthetic or shiny, a common issue with cheaper wigs. The fit was comfortable thanks to those adjustable straps, and the velvet band really helped prevent irritation, even after hours of wear. Styling was a breeze. Since the fiber is heat-friendly, I was able to use a curling iron on low heat to add some soft waves, which held up well throughout the day. It also stood up nicely in different lighting and weather conditions, showing minimal frizz or flyaways. On the flip side, while the fiber is high quality for synthetic wigs, it still can't fully replicate the softness and movement of real human hair. If you're someone who frequently uses high heat or styles aggressively, this might not be your go-to. The cap size is average, so if you have a larger or smaller head, the fit might not be perfect without some additional adjustments or wig grip accessories. Let's talk pros and cons. The Virtue Synthetic Wig scores high for comfort, heat-friendly styling options, and a natural look that's well above many synthetics on the market. The adjustable cap and velvet band are thoughtful features that enhance wearability. On the downside, the fiber, while premium for synthetics, doesn't quite match real hair texture, and those with specific sizing needs might find the fit a bit limited. In terms of value, this wig lands in the mid to upper price range for synthetic wigs, but I think the quality justifies it. The heat-friendly Kanekalon Excel fiber is a standout feature, making it a worthwhile investment for those wanting styling flexibility without the upkeep of human hair wigs. Compared to other synthetic wigs that don't allow heat styling or look overly shiny, this one offers a significant step up. The build quality is solid, the stitching is neat, and the materials used for the cap and fibers feel durable enough to last with proper care. Since it's synthetic, it doesn't require the same delicate maintenance as human hair wigs, which is a plus if you want something low fuss but still stylish. I haven't personally interacted with Eva's customer support, but Hair You Wear, the company behind the Kanekalon fibers, has a solid reputation in the wig industry for customer care and product reliability. If you run into any issues, chances are their support will be helpful. If this wig feels a bit pricey, a good alternative could be other heat-friendly synthetic wigs from brands like Outry or Sensationnel, which often offer similar features, but at a slightly lower price point. However, the natural look and comfort level of the Virtue wig might make it worth the extra spend. So here's my take. The Virtue Synthetic Wig by Eva definitely lives up to its promises of comfort, style flexibility, and a natural appearance. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, everyday synthetic wig that doesn't sacrifice styling options or comfort. If you're after ultra-realistic texture or custom sizing, you might want to explore human hair options or wigs with more extensive sizing choices. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link down in the description box or comments below. If you've tried the Virtue Synthetic Wig, drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.